Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list and find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. I'll pick this one. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So all you have to do is to tap on add picture or tap on the circle, and here we've got different sections. So device photos, we can choose something from our own gallery or open the camera app. Google Photos, where we've got our backed up photos, and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have any photo, you can try to find something in those illustrations. They are really nice. But I will pick something from the gallery. Let me just tap on it and let me find this one, for example. Now in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. Then tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, which appears right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.